Alright, quick little video here. We have a nice 2020 limited Toyota Kersey Mobility in the Redmond store. This is being delivered here shortly. So it's black with the chestnut interior. So great vehicle. I don't see chestnut a lot, so I'll just do a quick little video what the chestnut actually looks like. So somebody had a question how it looks. The black on chestnut looks really good. So I'm also we just ordered a white one for stock. So here's a little inside look at this chestnut color and how it kind of blends in here. So you got some more of a brownish tint up front. You got your leather here. Forward version, of course. And let's just take a peek in here. Black chestnut. So very nice. The Limited does have the bird's eye camera, and it's kind of cool. It's got this two moonroofs in here too. You guys can see that. And of course, the premium surround system, the JBL, and here's your nice 16-inch widescreen for the video. So, quick little example of what we have for the chestnut interior. Black 2020 limited Toyota Sienna here at Kersey Mobility. And that's your quick little video. We got lots of different vehicles here. We got a ProMaster, we got Honda, we got Braun, we got VMI. Lots of options, lots of packages, rear entry, side entry. We have rentals, you name it. So there we go.